Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, meet again with me, Cynthia Julie Rahmawati, a student from Stikom PGRI Banyuwangi. A browser is a software that is used to open website page. Currently, there are many different kinds of browser applications with powerful features. So for those of you who like to surf in cyberspace, if you need to know which browser application is right. So, in this video, I will discuss 3 of the best and faster browser applications, as well as some safe browser tips so you can avoid various cyber threats. At the end of the video, I will conclude which application is best for you. Come on, see the full review below. 3 computer software browser. Which is the best? Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Opera software? Nah. Next, number 1. Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a cross-platform web browser developed by Google. This browser was first released in 2008 for Microsoft Windows. Then it was ported to Linux, Mac OS, iOS, and Android, making it the default browser in the operating system. The browser is also a major component of Chrome OS, which functions as a platform for web applications. Okay, next, Google Chrome advantages. High speed. The emergence of various kinds of device websites sometimes make browser performance slow. However, this condition has no effect on Chrome. In fact, even on complete web page, Chrome can still process very sharp and responsive. This is possible thanks to the V8 JavaScript engine used by Chrome. This machine is claimed to be the fastest JavaScript version of any version. And number 2, elegant design. In 2018, Chrome changed its appearance with Google's materially designed concept. These changes make Chrome look minimalist and elegant. Okay, next, number 3, safe and comfortable use. Google is always working to update the security features on Chrome. With high technology, now Chrome can automatically block malicious sites, remove all types of malware, and automatically display a lookpad icon to notify you when the site is safe to access. Okay, number 3, safe and comfortable use. And number 4, abundant extension. Okay, Google Chrome facilitates its user with various types of applications and extensions, starting from games, search engines, to productivity, shopping, extension, specifically for developers, and many more. Each extension is always supported with additional updates that can be downloaded easily. And next, number 2, Mozilla Firefox. The next best browser option is Mozilla Firefox. This browser was designed by the Mozilla Foundation, which was originally named Pioneer in 2002. Then, after time passed, the name Pioneer was changed to Mozilla Firefox. Since the beginning of its release, many users have been very enthusiastic about using this American-made browser. In fact, in 2008, Mozilla Firefox managed to rape the majority of Internet Explorer users with more than 500 million downloads. In 2017, Mozilla Firefox also released a version called Mozilla Firefox Quantum, which is equipped with faster features. But in 2019, Firefox again changed their version as the Firefox browser. Okay, next, The advantage of Mozilla Firefox. Number 1, security queries. Number 2, ad-free. Number 3, reader view features. For those of you who like to read Mozilla Firefox over and features in the form of a review view, doubt this feature. Firefox will display a page only its writing. This feature is also equipped with a choice of background colors with sepia and dark themes, so that you feel more comfortable when reading. Okay, next, number 4, yes, History tab. In Mozilla Firefox, you don't have to bother opening a new tab to open the history page. Simply look at the small pop-up tab on the left of your easy screen. Okay, and number 5, various types of add-ons. Just like Chrome, Mozilla Firefox use will also be treated to a variety of extensions to support your needs. Of course, this makes it easier in things like sizing, password, managing bookmarks, and various custom settings. Okay, and next, Opera software. Okay, of those best and fastest browser applications available today, Opera is still one of them. Although Opera does not dominate the global browser market share such as Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Opera is still the recommended browser for all operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Mac OS X, and browsers for smartphones. And the advantage of Opera, number, okay, free VPN. Sometimes when you are using public Wi-Fi facilities, using a VPN is quite necessary, because with a VPN, all the data you access will not be easily hacked by hacker. Opera is one of the browsers that offer VPN facilities for free without the need to use additional applications. And complete security features. Not inferior to other best browsers that have qualified security credits. Opera is also equipped with features that can alert its user if there is a virus or malware on a visited site. This feature is active by default, so that when Opera finds a dangerous site, the warning will automatically appear on the display page. The rest, the user themselves will decide whether to keep visiting the page or vice versa. Okay, next, easy blocking of pop-up banners ads, and there are various types of add-ons. Okay, like all the superior browser, Opera also provided many types of add-ons that can make your internet experience easier and more enjoyable. You can also activate various search engines and on such as Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo by default. Okay, and next, this advantage of number 1, browser Google Chrome. Okay, frequent bugs. Like all the browser, Google Chrome is also often attacked by bugs and errors which then disturb users while surfing the internet. However, this condition is quite tolerable since the Google developer team is always trying to overcome this. And wasteful RAM usage. Although many people admire the speed of access on Chrome, unfortunately, this application is known to waste RAM, so that when it reaches a certain PC limit, internet access can be very slow, even at the worse it will hang over it. And next, Mozilla Firefox. This advantage of Mozilla Firefox takes up a lot of PC memory. This is the main weakness of Mozilla Firefox. Firefox is known as a browser that consumes a lot of memory on a computer. So this application is less usable on computers with low specifications. This condition is often marked by slow online video playback, frozen tabs that cannot be opened, and so on. Automatic unsustainable downloads. The next drawback is when you are downloading a file while browsing various sites. This something makes the download process called up. In fact, it could actually stop. This condition is of course very ineffective because you have to download the file again from scratch. And next, this advantage of Opera. Number 1, search for add-ons that are not user-friendly. Okay, in addition, many users comment that it was difficult for them to find the add-ons they needed. The slightly unstructured view on the page makes searching for Opera add-on a little unfriendly for users and has no loading bar. Many users have complained about the lack of loading bar on the Opera display. This makes it difficult for them to know the progress of loading on the site being visited. Okay, conclusion. So, in conclusion, the best browser in my opinion is Google Chrome. Yeah, why? Because Google Chrome has been named the best browser today. Even though at the beginning of its release in 2008, this application had difficult competing with its early superior competitors such as Internet Explorer, Firefox, and the Safari browser. Then in 2018, Google completely overhauled the Chrome browser by rolling out regular security updates. Until early 2019, Google Chrome managed to gain 65% of the global desktop browser market share according to StatCounter. Okay guys, that's a video from me about the 3 most commonly used browser and the best in my opinion. Hopefully this video can be useful, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, see you again in the next video. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you, bye.